Hi folks, welcome to today's video. Suspected herniated bulging disc while you recover faster if you start rehab now. Now, I do make a lot of good content for those folks out there suffering with low back pain issues such as sciatica nerve pain, stenosis, herniated disc, bulging discs. If that's you, hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload some great content to YouTube to get you back on the road to recovery. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So folks, today I want to talk about the urgency, very serious, of starting your rehab of your herniated disc, your bulging disc, sciatica nerve pains as early as possible, okay? And it's quite a short video, but the information within this video is very, very important if you are out there thinking you've got a bulging disc, herniated disc, or you've just been diagnosed with one. There's a commonality which has appeared for me when I've been working with clients across the world, as I do, and historically with clients face to face, is that a lot of people struggle on the recovery journey if they have not addressed the issue from the outset, immediately from the outset. The longer they've waited to either start rehabilitation, start going to a physiotherapist or rehabilitation specialist, or even go to see the doctor, then their issue will take a lot longer to be resolved. And I've experienced this, people who've come to me for help. I've heard this when I've asking questions on my free advice call. I do a kind of deep dive, ask people a lot of questions, and it's a very common theme which has come through. Now you may think, oh, this is just coincidence, right? It's just what you found, okay? However, if you do take a dive into the literature, you will also find the same results. Now I'm going to link to some research papers in the description at the end of this video. You'll see them down below. But some of those, just I'm going to pick a couple of them. One of them found was like with low back pain injuries that if rehabilitation was started within the first month, there was people returning to work within 60 days of starting that rehab plan, basically. If they waited a month or longer to start the rehab plan, they were out of work for more than 60 days on average. So it's a significant difference. Another study was looking at sciatica, and they found if people addressed it within the first couple of weeks of the symptoms coming on, they had a return to work faster, there was less visits back to the doctor, and at 6-month follow-up, they were doing significantly better than those that waited over a month to address their symptoms. So what does all this tell us? It tells us that if you do have a suspected bulging, herniated disc, sciatica nerve pain, that you want to start something now. If you want that shortened recovery, you've got to start the rehab plan as soon as possible. Now I know practically that's not always possible. I speak to a lot of people. I've spoken to people from Australia, India, across Europe, USA, UK, and there is one common theme which is unfortunately running across much of our healthcare systems at the minute. They are struggling. And for some people, they will not start the rehab plan for, I've heard, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, in some cases 2 months before they can get to see a rehab specialist. Yeah. So what can you do? Okay, guys, listen. I have actually made a video. It's a basic beginner's rehab plan, and I talk about the stretches you would do, etc. within it as well. I'm going to link to the end of this video, so please stay to the very end. You'll see that it's going to pop up. Okay, it's safe and effective. Anyone can do it at your early stages of your injury. I'll also put the link down in the description down below. But you can start out on that journey, and it's going to start you on the rehab journey, and it's going to get you back a lot faster. If you're going to have to wait for your insurance to pay, etc., this video of mine is free. Okay, if you do want to pay, I do have some courses that are linked down below as well. You can join my Facebook group for support. And if you want to just reach out to me, you can have a call with me. It's a free advice call. You can send me an email about your problem, and I always get back to everybody. You can see in the comments, I do always reply to my comments. It might take a little while sometimes, but I do get back to them, okay? So guys, just to quickly recap, if you do have a suspected bulging disc, herniated disc, the beginnings of sciatica nerve pain, start rehab now, okay? Go check out my video, get into a program, until the insurance will start to kick in, or until you get, recommended by the NHS or whatever medical system you're on. Start something, okay? Get out walking, do my plan, etc. Because in the long term, your body will thank you. All right. So guys, listen, I know it's a short one today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the content was good. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.